Welcome to this stunning penthouse with a large solarium located in the prestigious Los Arqueros Golf and Country Club in Benahavís, Spain. It boasts 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, with 1 ensuite in the master bedroom. Bright lounge and dining room with a sunny, south-facing terrace. The kitchen is fully fitted with a separate laundry area. The price includes an underground garage space and storage room, making it an unbeatable deal. Los Arqueros Golf and Country Club is an exclusive golf club designed by the legendary Spanish golfer Severiano Ballesteros in 1991. It is located in the beautiful Benahavís, near Marbella, in the stunning province of Malaga, Spain. Do not miss the chance to own a great penthouse in one of the most desirable golf resorts on the Costa del Sol.